In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your points on Shein, a simple and straightforward guide to help you make the most out of your shopping experience. First, you'll need to visit the Shein website. Open your favorite browser and type in www.sheinan.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Logging in is essential because this is how Shein knows how many points you have available to use. Now that you're logged in, it's time to bring out your shopping side. Browse through Shein's extensive collection and add your favorite items to your shopping bag. This is just like putting things into your shopping cart at a store, except this virtual cart can hold as many items as your heart desires. No need to worry about carrying it all. Once you have everything you want, locate the bag icon, which should be easily visible at the top of the page. Click on it, and then you'll see an option that says checkout. Click on that, and it'll take you to the page where all the payment magic happens. At the checkout page, you're going to see several options related to payment, but we're interested in a special option called Use Shein Points, and this option is usually found beneath the payment summary. It's essential to take a moment here to understand what your points can do for you. Each point you collect can be used to deduct costs from your purchase, which is a great way to make your money go a little further. To use your points, simply check the box next to this option. You can decide how many points you'd like to apply towards your purchase. If you have a lot of points, you might want to go big and use them all, or you might want to save some for future shopping sprees. As soon as you've entered the number of points you wish to use, you'll see the total price of your order automatically adjust with the discount neatly applied. This update in cost makes it crystal clear how much you're saving and how much you're expected to pay out of pocket. Once you're satisfied with the total, all that's left to do is complete your order in the way you typically would. You do this by clicking on Place Order. This action will finalize your purchase, and you can sit back and anticipate the arrival of your new goodies. Using your points on Shein is a smart and easy way to enhance your shopping experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fashion items while saving some cash. Remember, the more you shop and engage with Shein, the more points you can earn for your next shopping adventure. Happy shopping!